Let's take a look at a new feature we added to InstaWP, that is Object Cache. Object Cache speeds up dynamic sites such as e-commerce sites. On the site details page, you'll find Object Cache menu. Now, let's proceed to enable Object Cache. Once enabled, a Clear Cache button appears, allowing you to easily remove all cache data to ensure fresh loading. We'll go ahead and click Clear Cache now, confirming its successful update. Next, we'll use the convenient Magic Login feature to directly access the WordPress admin panel for our site. Once inside WordPress, simply navigate to the Redis Object Cache settings from the top menu. Here, you can review the important connection details and status, confirming that your Redis Object Cache is connected and reachable. Now, we'll flush the Object Cache directly from within the WordPress admin interface to clear any existing data. Finally, let's return to the main WordPress dashboard, where all the object caching configurations are now active.